Hey, sound check. Hey, sound check. Hey. Hey, sound check. Oh, much better. Yan. Alright, good evening everyone. Welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind. Sabi ko sa inyo, medyo maaga tayo ngayon. We're starting at 7 p.m. Kasi meron akong commitment at 8 p.m. kasi eh. But, commitment ko rin kayo. I just adjusted the time. Pero, you still have me, guys. Right. Magda-daily grind pa rin tayo as much as possible. Kung kaya lang talaga, we can talk about your investments, your trading, stock market, about the market. Speaking of the market, PSEI kanina medyo nag-bounce naman pero the market really hasn't recovered just yet. PSEI, let me open it up and let me open up our chat really quick. Hindi ko nahanda yung chat natin. Gusto ko lagi nakikita ang chat natin sa live natin. Ayan. Alright. So, yep, I wanna share my screen. Hindi po yan ang isi-share ko. Ito, email ko yon. Or PSEI. Alright, medyo nag-bounce kanina but we are still at 6559. We're still on a downtrend, ladies and gentlemen. We are seeing lower highs right now. And lower lows. Lower low right there and lower highs right there. Sadly, downtrend pa sa PSEI. But let's see in the future if ever magkaano ba. If ever mag-recover ba ang market natin. International market though. Right. Ganda na international market. Right. Looking at the markets. Kailangan. Alright. We've been following my trades, di ba? Ito yung trade natin. Wait. Teka lang. Let me just adjust my screen really quick. May adjust lang ako ng konti. Sorry about this. Yan. Good evening sa inyo. Let's go to medyo chill muna na music. Since tapos na naman yung ano natin. Tapos na naman yung yan. Let's go to this music muna. Okay, international market, nakita niyo naman po on the screen right now. Yeah, last night we were just up $1,000. Ngayon, 1,259 na tayo. Congratulations sa mga kumokopya sa akin. Let me just check out the people who are copying me. We will join. Kung green na ba sila, sama ko. Sama-sama tayo dito. Let's get rich together nga, diba? Up! So far so good. Lahat ng kumukopya sa akin ay green na halos. Merong mga kumukopya na anonymous. These people, naka-private yung profile nila. We'll respect that. Pero I don't know why others naka 0%. Most probably naka-uncheck yung copy open trade sa kanila. But those who are copying me already are already green. Congratulations. Some are up 12% already. Si Kyle Edgardo. March 5 siya nagsimula. He's already up 8.69%. Congratulations. And congratulations sa mga kumukopya sa atin. Update tayo sa performance stats. We are up 2.62% for March. I don't think this is updated, but I think tumaas pa tayo, di ba? But yeah, you're already green. You're already green. That's all that matters. Congratulations sa mga kumukopya sa atin. If you haven't copied me yet, you can copy me, 𝐿Bazaar, dito sa 𝑒𝑇𝑜𝑟𝑜. Right? So yeah, I shared to you my trades. And pwede nyo akong kopyahin if ever wala pa kayong 𝑒𝑇ORRO account. Andyan po sa video description, may link po dyan how to create an account. Please use that link kasi kung gagamitin nyo po yan, may bonus po sa 𝑒𝑇ORRO. Siya po magbabayad ng free courses ninyo dito sa StockSend. Go to StockSend.com. We have free courses for you. And then, meron tayong premium courses also available for you. If you wanna get the premium courses for free, create an 𝑒𝑇ORRO account. Just i-fund nyo lang po and you will be eligible for the free premium courses natin dito sa StockSend. Alright, let me go to the comments. We are gonna be usually it's Tuesday. It should be technical analysis Tuesday. Pero let's just turn it to Podcast Tuesdays ngayon. Update tayo sa mga markets, etc. Let's look at the international market really quick before we go to NSDQ. Especially the Nasdaq 100. Ito yung market kung saan ako nag-i-invest eh. So Nasdaq 100, green pa po siya ngayon. So that's looking well. Good trend right here. Trend reversal. So medyo mataas-taas ang upside sa Nasdaq. That's why I'm holding on to my positions. Ito yung goal ko, right? My goal in my trading is really to beat Nasdaq. As long as I'm doing well, better than Nasdaq. And that's basically my goal. So if ever you see other people getting better returns, that's good for them. That works for them. Ako, my goal is to beat Nasdaq. Nasdaq is one of the best markets. So if I beat Nasdaq, then I'm doing well in my trading. Yun po yung goal ko. So far, so good. I've been doing that. Okay. So yeah, pagpatuloy natin yan. SPX 500, all-time high. Just hit all-time high earlier chart. Let's check out the chart. So this is looking well. An international market. Kind of top-ish ang SPX 500, but it did create a very strong climb after a massive pullback. So it's now another trend. Magpo-pull back to most probably and then continue the trend. Once again, SPX 500, very good market. But yeah, I'm focused on Nasdaq. I think yung mga companies that are in tech has better growth. Mas maganda yung innovations nila. Innovations which are new and could grow successfully. That's why I like Nasdaq 100. Anyways, let's go to the comments really quick. I'll go to the close-up. And good evening, Kyle Morales Pono. Good evening. OLN and NTNX. Alright, international market. Let's try to open them dito na lang. Okay. Share ko na lang ang screen ko all the time para sure. Okay. OLN. All in Corp. Let's load RSI, especially pag ganito. All in Corporation. All in. Right, yung last na trend niya, last na akyat niya is not touching the it's not closing above the Bollinger Bands already. So that's weakness in the trend. And look at the RSI, it's showing us bearish signals. I don't like that trade anymore. Wait for it to go back down sana if you wanna trade this. All-in is already too high up there. NTNX. Pa-check. Let's check out NTNX. We're strictly going for technicals right here, okay? This is much better though. Alright, mas maganda ito si NTNX sideways right there. So from this point on, yung downtrend niya. This is looking well. Right? Maganda yung position niya. Possibly is stabilizing right now. Support is right here. Secondary support is right first support right here. Secondary support dito. Yeah, you can get in this one, man. Let's see if ever tama tayo. Mukhang pa-reverse na to eh. Right? Mukhang maganda na. Nagre-recover na yung RSI niya. NTNX, that's a good find. I like that trade better than OLN. Legat Bonton. Alright, ganda gabi, Sir Lloyd. Maaga po tayo today, ah. Alright, yes, sir. I did inform you yesterday na 7 tayo magsisimula ngayon. So yeah, here it is. We're starting at 7. Von Soriano, good evening. Good evening po sa inyo. Meron pong nanonood ngayon na nasa YouTube. Good evening po sa inyo dyan na nasa YouTube. But our main live is in Facebook po. So if ever, baka hindi ko mabasa yung comments niya. But if you have, I'll try my best to go through you guys. May gabi from Arturo Tejero. Good evening, Rowan at Laga. Good evening. Bossing, good PM. From Erlin Bernaldez, good evening to you guys. Noel Quindosa, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening then, Manny Ocampo. Carlos Pono, Colibao, good evening, man. Danica, Garaza Mondok, good evening po. BTC and XRP, si BTC, USD. I really don't touch Bitcoin right now, especially if nag-handle ako ng funds. I don't like it, but yeah, MA20 is going to be a very good area for you to get in. Should you want to enter Bitcoin, that should be a good dip if ever you want to trend follow. But basically, man, the dips right here, we talked about this dip before. Dito ko sinabi na buy siya. The last dip, medyo natakot na ako, but surprisingly, umaakit pa rin si Bitcoin, so that's good. Now, it has a good trend, pull back and bounce. That is gonna be the next dip for you. Yan yung pinakamandang dip nyo. But I don't recommend trading Bitcoin. If ever you wanna go into Bitcoin, hold nyo for long term. Pero masyado mahal na ngayon. Babalik rin po yan. Right? There's just craze right now. There will always be a time that it will go on a downtrend. Wala pong forever na trend. Anyways, 𝑒TH/USD. Tops na po tayo. Right? And we have a bearish signal on the tops. So, yeah. It's kind of bearish for me already. I don't want to look at that anymore. That's for that Danica Bondok. Right? Ishi Marimat, good evening po. Nika Nix, good evening Sir Lloyd. Pa-check naman po chart ng Lode. Thanks. Let's check out Lode. Lodestar. No, not the PSE. The PSE Lodestar, right? Support right there is looking well. Ang ganda na support niya pababa. Yeah, this is looking well. Right? So mga gusto mag-trade kay Lode, this is a good support. But mind you, again, our bias, always check the overall market movement also. Okay? I don't want to trade on a bearish market kasi mas higher in chances that technical analysis is gonna fail. We have technical analysis again right here, but the overall market, man, is very shaky, meaning walang perang pumapasok and konti lang perang pumapasok in these kinds of positions and these kinds of stock. But technical analysis is saying that there is a support right there. So we can respect that support. If you really want to trade this, but I don't recommend trading right now in PSE. Right? Nasa international market, so yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, pahirapan mag-trade sa PSE. International market, the money is there. Right? Andun yung pera, just follow the money. You should be okay. Sir, pa-check po si FB Neo, Microsoft and Baba. This is from Arturo Tejero, right? Facebook na FB. Hindi yung San Miguel na FB. Facebook Incorporated. Right? FB, pullback, bounce rin kaagad. So that's a good sign for Facebook. Meron siyang konting resistance dito. I would recommend just waiting for a breakout instead for Facebook. If ever gusto niyo pumasok kay Facebook. Actually, nag-breakout na siya dito eh. Nag-fail pero nag-breakout ulit. But there's a secondary resistance right here. Let it break out. There's a tertiary resistance. It's just very challenging to trade actually. So, daming linya. Hirap pasukin yan. Nakakalito yan na trading. So, but as ito yung pinakamagandang support niya, but I don't think it's gonna go back there since the market is recovering already. Sayang yung support niya. Nung nag-recover ang market, this is the best entry. Ngayon, lumilipad na siya. It's gonna be very challenging for you to catch this one out. MA20 most probably is gonna be best entry right here. Breakouts, ang dami resistance nakikita sa chart. So, it's gonna be very challenging. NEO naman. NEO. We'll look at NEO. Right. NEO Incorporated. Alright. Actually, buy na to si NEO eh. Kaka-breakout niya lang sa downtrend resistance niya. We have 2 bounces already. Nagpo-pull back kaagad. Another bounce is gonna be a confirmation for that. So yeah, that is gonna be a buy. Especially that the international market is recovering already. Right? NEO is good. MSFT. I still have my Microsoft. I'm holding on to my Microsoft na buy. Especially right now na maganda ang market. It's going sideways already. It's showing us pullback. And then, tingnan natin yung bounce niya. If ever mag-bounce yan, then that is your reverse head and shoulder pattern. That's a bullish signal right there. Microsoft is a very good company for me. I am still holding on to my Microsoft and for the future, maybe, tingnan natin ano mangyayari sa kanya. But so far, so good sa Microsoft. Then, Baba. Alibaba. Alright, Baba. May maganda support si Baba. This is a good find actually for Alibaba right here. This is a good find for Alibaba. It's confirming the support. So if you want to trade this, I would say it's looking well. Okay? It's just that walang guarantee sa trading. And just in case mali, then cut loss. Ganun lang. But this is a very good find for Alibaba. There's a very big support right here that we should respect. Then just cut your losses if ever hindi talaga mag-sustain at mali yung bias natin. 𝐻𝑒𝑔 𝐶𝐹𝐷𝑠, good PM, 𝑟CI, fruit, 𝑚NY, 𝑑𝑑. Asa na yun? 𝑟CI. Si 𝑟CI, tinignan ko to dati right? The support was right there. But man, the market pulled it down. Sadly, ang market ang nagpo-pull sa kanya pababa. But if goes further down, then that is gonna be very good. Sobrang mura na ni 𝑟CI. Let's see saan pupulutin ulit to. Let it stabilize for now. No buy signals just yet. Frutas. Alright, Frutas. Ito yung downtrend line ni Frutas ha. If ever it breaks out from this downtrend line, then that will be a very good signal. Let's see. Right there. RSI is looking well. Mukhang magsa-sideways na ito. There's a very big chance na magsa-sideways na ito si Frutas. It's just that the downtrend is real. If ever it does break out from its downtrend, that's gonna be a good signal. If it does break out, that's gonna be your entry if you wanna go aggressive on this one or pull back and bounce to confirm the support talaga. That is gonna be your entry for Frutas. Okay, M-wide and DD. M-wide. 𝐻𝑒𝑔, Sardena, M-wide, ayun, hinila pa ng market pababa. So, touching lower Bollinger Bands right now, I would say it will still go down. Tingnan natin dito sa baba. M-wide is a good company. Lagay nyo to sa watch list niyo si M-wide. Ano mangyayari sa kanya? There's a massive support. It's resting on a massive support right now. So, it might bounce. I'm not really sure. We can tell. Tingnan lang natin kung anong gagawin niya dito sa support. It's at a support right now, si M-wide. Okay, so that's good at the very least. DD naman, Double Dragon, sumasabay sa market after the sharp drop of the market. There it is. Double Dragon after that, nag-gap up naman. So that's a good signal right there for DD. DD is very cheap right now. Grabe, kamura si DD. Alright, so... But, then again, walang mura-mura sa market. Even if mura na yan, if ever si market tumopak, pupula at pupula pa rin yan. So, we can't really say. So, ingat pa rin sa trades ninyo. Let me adjust this really quick. Alright. Moving forward, going to the comments. Amazon Sir Lloyd Pacheck. This is from Noel Quindoza. Amazon. Alright, one of the big companies out there available for you guys. But it's been on a sideways trend for quite a while. This is the reason why hindi ako pumasok. This is the reason why hindi ako pumasok sa Amazon. Medyo malagim ang sideways niya. But, we're resting at supports, okay? Nag-downtrend siya dito. Probably will do a breakout on a downturn. So if you want to trade this, that is going to be a very good trade for you pag nag-breakout, and then tignan natin kung mag-breakout basta sa resistance yan. But you have a very good upside pa rin. That should be a win at that area pa rin for you. So check out Amazon. It's already good. MoCorp, sir. This is from Jet Michael. Let's check it out. Time check muna ako guys ha. I only have until 50 ngayon. 7:20 pa naman, so sobrang aga pa. Not really sure bakit hindi lumalabas si MoCorp rate dito. Ano ba yung symbol ni MoCorp? Amen. Sir Lebmawa, may copiers ka na 100. Nagbibigay ba si 𝑒𝑇𝑜RO? Alright, this is a very good question from Emmanuel Saricos. Let's talk about this. This is the reason why I like 𝑒𝑇𝑜RO. Right? Because if ever magaling ka na trader, meron kang option kasi to become a popular investor or so-called, ito yung mga fund managers. Tulad ng ginagawa ko ngayon, di ba? I am letting people copy me. Right? Meaning may kumukopya sa akin. I have 109 copiers pero hindi pa ako binabayaran ni 𝑒𝑇𝑜RO. Bakit? Let me show this to you. Ito yung Popular Investor Program ni 𝑒𝑇𝑜RO. Okay, if I am a cadet right now, monthly payment is no monthly payment. Wala po ako monthly payment. Bakit? I'm still a cadet. eToro is just testing me again kasi kaka-apply ko lang. 'Di ba? Umabot na ako sa elite dati, pero I stopped trading, so nawala yung pagka-popular investor ko. Balik na naman ako sa cadet. Okay? Monthly payments being a cadet is no payment. Right? Minimum AUM, I should have copiers for amount under management $500. Maximum equity, minimum equity, I should have $1,000 in my portfolio. Okay. Now, if I reach champion, this is where eToro starts letting you starts paying you. Okay? Binabayad po ni eToro sa inyo is 400 or this one right here, asterisk $800. That is asterisk means hindi ko alam ang asterisk dito. Ang alam ko ang asterisk dito nasa simula tong asterisk nito. I don't know what that means. But this one is 2% of your AUM. 2% of AUM if you're an elite. Right? 2% of your AUM or 1.5%. Let's say for example, meron ng right now I'll use my I'll use my dashboard. So I have AUM right now of 56K. Right? That's 56K, meaning $56,000 ang AUM, amount under management. And I'm just starting right now, Imagine nyo. Let's say for example, we'll use that as an average. Let's go for calculator. And 56K divided by 100 copiers. So let's say per copier merong $560 na linalagay sa akin. This is just sample numbers. Okay, $560. Let's say i-close na lang natin. Sige, $560 since may facts naman tayo. Let's go to mga sikat. Let's say for example, J Nemesis. This guy gave me 50% in just 3 months. Sobrang laki ng stats niya for February, 8%. March, he's doing well already. But yeah, let's check this out. He has 37,988. Let's say for example, 38,000 copiers yan. So 560 times 38,000 copiers. He has 21,280,000 dollars under him. Basing on the stats that I have, he should have more. Kasi yung mga kumukopya sa akin, mga small timers lang yan. Since sikat na si J Nemesis, he has the confidence of investors. Malaking pera ang linalagay ng mga tao sa kanya. Okay? Sa akin, 560 lang ang average. But anyways, 21 million. Let's say, 21 million, pakita ko sa inyo to. How much J Nemesis, more or less, hindi naman to official, more or less is getting. Right, so Elite Pro si J Nemesis. This is the same calculation for what J Nemesis is getting. Right, for let's say 2.5% since siya yung pinakamataas ngayon So 2.5% of the AUM. So what is 2.5% of 21M? So times 0.025. Right, that's $532,000. Yan yung binibigay ni eToro sa kanya yearly, and that's divided by 12 kasi ibibigay yan monthly. So J Nemesis earns from his trading plus $44,333 every month. Ito yung pasweldo ni eToro sa kanya. Basing on my statistics, that's 2 million. So eToro's giving J Nemesis 2 million a month on using the stats that I have. Pero for sure, he gets more because mas malaki yung perang ng mga kumukopya sa kanya since trusted na si J Nemesis. That's how much money eToro is gonna give you. And I'm rooting for that. Okay? Hopefully one day I become J Nemesis level. So I'm already starting my portfolio again. So yeah. Wala kang ginagawa. Nagtitrade ka lang sa port mo. Kahit na kumita lang ako sa port ko ng let's say in a month, pinapakita ko naman sa inyo $500, 25K in my portfolio. Hindi ko naman ginagalaw yun gaano. Right? And then I get kahit kalahati lang nito, 1 million extra. Why not? That's how much money you get for sharing your skills. Okay? So, yeah. Champion 400, maliit pa ang binibigay dito. Minimum AUM mo, amount under management is 50K. And nakita nyo, I already reached that. I already have 56K under my AUM. So, pwede na ako maging champion. But not just yet. Why? Because I need to be in cadet for 2 months. Right? Isang buwan pala ako as cadet. Right? After that, 𝑒𝑇𝑜R𝑜 will start paying me extra for letting people copy me. I am already eligible because of ito yung mga ano niya. Minimum equity is $5,000. I hit that naman. But if I want to go to elite, dadagdagan ko pa ang pera sa equity ko. But yeah. Laki ng pera. Champion, you have to be minimum time on level 4 months before ka mag-elite. 2 months, after 2 months mo mag-elite, pwede ka na mag-elite pro. That is the goal right there, and I want to share my journey to you guys. Yeah, nakikita nyo lagi ang port ko. Leverage restrictions, hindi pwede mag-leverage. These are the requirements. Right? Educational requirements. Ayan. Benefits. May benefits pa. Merong 𝑒𝑇ORRO debit card. But anyways, yeah, that is what you get for sharing your skills. Hopefully in the future, if magaling na kayo mag-trade, magpa-copy rin kayo. Let me know. Ako bahala sa inyo. I will advertise you as long as you're helping people right here. So yeah, so hopefully you understand 𝑒𝑇ORRO Popular Investor. That is one way to earn. Gusto niyo maging milyonaryo. If you're already good at trading, yeah, this is my motivation right now. That's why I'm letting people copy me. I want to be at that level also, and I want to share my journey to you guys. RSI, good evening, Sir L from Haji. Good evening. RSI Divergence, Sir Paturo from Noel Quindosa. Meron na tayong episode about RSI Divergence. Meron ako sa YouTube ko. Let's open YouTube. YouTube.com RSI Lloyd Bazaar. Right, RSI Lloyd Bazaar. Okay, RSI Lloyd Bazaar, the secrets of using RSI. Search for this video. Sure. And skip. Yan, si 𝑒𝑇ORRO gagad lumabas. But yeah, check out for this check this out. Bakit ito papakita? Right. So yeah, check out this video, the secrets of RSI Divergence. That's what I do in my trades, especially for position traders. Very helpful for you guys. Check that video out. Neil Valdez, sir, what's your general perspective sa performance ng economy ng Pinas this year? Recovery mode. It's just that I could be wrong, pero I don't think there's gonna be lockdown. Investors are shaky because the numbers keep going high. Ang problema talaga is we are not being prioritized in the vaccines. Bakit? Kasi wala tayong pera. Right? walang pera ang Pilipinas, halos naubos sa pamimigay last year sa mga na-lockdown. So that's sad. That's the sad reality of the country right now. Pero ayun, the thing is, it is what it is. The economy will recover. I believe so. It should. The numbers should be mitigated, especially pag may vaccines na. Dahan-dahan magkakaroon din naman tayo ng vaccine. So magre-recover niyan. But PSE wise, I don't think it is gonna recover very fast. That's why I am trading in the international market, because patriotism aside, diba? You should be supporting your own country, diba? Patriotism aside, realistically speaking, we are trading to earn money. And yan, where can you earn money better? International market right now. Nakikita nyo naman yung port natin doing well. And that's why I trade in the international market, kasi andun yung pera, di ba? Tilray and Geno's poster. I'm still holding on to my Tilray. Let's check out Tilray's Tilray's chart. Alright. Tilray for me is already bullish again, and there you go. Ang ganda ng akyat ng Tilray. Congratulations sa mga naghahawak kay Tilray. Tulad ko, alright, I'm holding on Tilray. So yeah, late for it to do a pullback and bounce before you want to get into Tilray para may maganda kayong entry. Alright, Geno's pumupula siya. Let it pull back. Let's see if it will Respect MA20 and MA20 po yung pasukin niya kasi medyo nakalipad na si Genus. Sir, paano ba mag-setup ng Bollinger Bands? Basically, just pull up Bollinger Bands and that is it. Basically, I use international markets Bollinger Band. Ito yung kagandahan sa international market. Whatever you pull up na technical analysis, wala ka na i-edit. Bakit? Because hiyang nasa kanila yung technical analysis na yan. Why? These technical analysis are based on the international markets kung saan healthy yung market, may short selling, maganda yung volume, and technical analysis often works because of that. So international market, I use the Bollinger Bands also, and there it is. Just diretso na. Just pull up Bollinger Bands. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Ito a question. How does post-market trading work? Zinerba 7 closing 7 closing 5.9 lang na nasa eToro ko. Not sure what happened. Dapat parehas yan. That's why I'm using Instagrams na Instagrams na chart. Right. Zinerba Pharmaceuticals. Zinerba is at 703. eToro naman na Zinerba. I have Zinerba 5.9 na nakalagay sa kanya. Chart. 7 naman. 7. I think this is just a glitch. Right? Glitch lang ito. Right? Good job sa mga may Zinerba. Tulad ko. May Zinerba ako. So yes, I'm able to ride this growth of Zinerba again. If you look at the chart, it is at 7.03 and my earnings is at 49% because of that. If you look at the portfolio, medyo medyo may glitch lang, right? But I should be up already. Right? Mali lang yan, glitch lang yan. Anyways, let's move forward. Amazon, sir, pa-check. We already covered Amazon. Sir, BB indicator, paano malalaman exit na? BB indicator, if ever you're following the trend, if ever mag-cut na siya na MA20, that is your exit signal. Sir, may analysis po kayo ng gold. Haven't been following international market gold. Dati, I've been following gold. Pero ngayon, hindi na. Bakit? Sakit sa ulo if ever nagda-day trade ka. Gold is basically for day trading or position trading, tops and bottoms. But yeah, let's check out gold. And then, mag-chart nga tayo. Open nga natin ang pro charts. Alright. Looking well. Right? Mukhang magre-recover na si gold. Bakit? We are seeing higher highs already. I mean, higher lows already. So, right. So this is the bounce, pullback, bounce, pullback, then bounce again. So that is a reverse head and shoulder pattern. So it's looking well, actually, right? Mukhang maganda to for gold. From its downtrend right here, another confirmation will be if it breaks that downtrend right there, that is gonna be a good entry for gold for you. So kung gusto nyo pumasok kay gold. This is a good find, Karen. Right, hello, Sir Lloyd. Maayong gabi from Rowena. Good evening. ACAD, Sir Lloyd. ACAD. Okay. Nagra-rally siya. I don't know what happened with the gap down. Not updated with the company. So please research what happened right here. Ano nangyari? And if it isn't a problem, and this could be a good rally. Wait for the pullback and bounce for you to enter ACAD. Sir, question po. This is from Von Soriano. Right, good question right here. What do you recommend po for long term in eToro? Use leverage or not? Sorry kung not related sa technical analysis. Actually, that's still part of technical analysis rin naman but that's a very good question pa rin. If you're looking for long term, then do not use leverage. Right? No point in using leverage where you will incur charges. May charges po kasi si even other brokers pag nagle-leverage kayo, right? For leveraging, there is extra charges, overnight fees and weekend fees. So no need for leveraging if you're gonna go for long term. Sir Lloyd, pa-check naman po ng UPM. Let's check out UPM. We still have good time right here. 7:36, right? Alright. UPM. Mukhang pababa pa. Downtrend pa, guys. Touching the lower Bollinger Bands right there. So, that's negative. Negative signals. Zinerba from Ishi Marimat. We covered Zinerba already. Jamia. Sir Lloyd, may Forex din kayong hawak from Vincent? Nope, hindi ako nagpa-Forex ngayon. Zinerba is Jamia is looking well, right? Just broke out from its downtrend. That's always a good signal. Wait for it to pull back and bounce. Kasi parang reversal na to for Jamia. Good find for Jamia Tech. This is from Ishi Marimat. Bias nyo sa bingo, sir, at Neo. Looking well sa Neo. We covered Neo already. Bionano. I'm still holding on to my Bionano after the market correction. It's doing well right now with the rallies. So I'm still bullish for Bionano. I still have my Bionano. I was able to enter at Bionano at here. Medyo nahit ako ng pullback, but that was just the market pulling back for me. And naka-recover naman ang market. So assets, the position is recovering right now. I'm still bullish for Bionano. That's why I'm still holding it. Kyle Morales Pono, thank you. Sir L, you're welcome, ma'am. UPM po. MU from Ads. MU, sir. Let's check out MU. Micron. One of my favorite stocks. Trade ko to noon eh. Sobrang taas na kasi kaya hindi ko na pinapansin ngayon. But we're seeing lower highs kay Micron. That could be a problem. That could be a problem right here, right? Pero there is this price action also na bullish triangle right here. Baka mag-breakout dyan. If that breaks out, that is gonna be an entry. You have to watch out for this resistance. But with this entry, that is gonna be better. That's gonna be very good risk to reward ratio. So breakout, let it break out from that ascending triangle. And then let's see if it can break out again. But breakout entry for that one. For MU. JAGX po. We covered JAGX. Did we? I have JAGX. Medyo ipit ako sa JAGX, but that's okay. I'm bullish with this asset right here. And mukhang nagre-recover na si JAGX. Okay? There's a resistance right here. So if you want to enter JAGX, why am I bullish? Not because may hawak ko sa kanya. Look at this right here. That's reverse head and shoulder. There's a resistance right here. Let it break out from that resistance. And that should be your entry point should you want to go for JAGX. VRSN po. Verizon. Is it Verizon? ZN yung Verizon eh. Very sign pala to. Ooh, this is good find. Massive support for Verizon right here, right? RSI is doing well. Is there a problem with the... Just go to the technical analysis is good. Check out Verizon. Tingnan nyo anong meron sa kanya. Is it a good company? I haven't really been studying the company. So if ever fundamentally good, this is a good sign. This is the sign you're looking for very sign. Alright. Do your research. Okay? CAB, concrete aggregates. Don't like to trade this asset right here. Sobrang hirap na yung trade na ito. If you want to trade this one, check out this support for CAB. Okay? Kung makapasok kayo dyan, then definitely that's gonna be a very good entry for you for concrete aggregates. Good evening first, Sir Jocelyn T, ASEN. Kumusta natin? Philippine stocks naman tayo. Yeah, we talked about ASEN before, right? Antayin natin yung bounce just to confirm the support. And there's the bounce right there. Hopefully, the market will play with you. Remember, kahit pa gaano kaganda ang technical analysis, may maganda siyang technical analysis. Downtrend line, but there's a support right here. So that could be a good sign. But the market is bearish. So most probably, this might drop. Just wait for it to break out from the line, and if the market's looking well, that is gonna be your signal to get in. Kasi kahit po anong technical analysis gagawin natin dito, if ever bearish talaga market, it won't matter. Okay, Da Vinci sir from Romelin Bonayas Davin. Time check, it's 8:41. We have to end at 7:45. So, sige, gawin natin 50. Alright. I think I can still spare time. 10 minutes natin. 𝑑aVinci. Capital Holdings. Support right here, okay? Pag nag-bounce yan, that is gonna be a good time for you to test out the support for 𝑑aVinci. Maganda naman yung pinapakita niyong RSI. So, that's looking well. 𝑑aVinci. Thank you so much from Edgy Sardena. You're welcome. Ship. Ito si Ship. Marami. Ang ganda ng position nito ni Ship. Synergy. Maritime Holdings. Okay? Sumasabay sa Nasdaq. After the pullback of the market, breakout right there, that should be your best entry. Medyo nakalimpad na. Ilang beses na natin sinabi to si Ship na okay na to di ba? Pullback and bounce. Hindi pa rin kayo nakakapasok. Pullback and bounce for your is gonna be your next best entry right there for Ship. Sir Lloyd, good evening. Naalala ko noon, sinabi ko na to si Ship na buy na yan Nag-breakout na from the downtrend line di ba? So yeah, dapat pinasok niyo na yan. Sir Lloyd, good evening. Ask ko lang po if mag-copy trade. Any obligation fees monthly for you aside from my gains? Thanks. Nope. That's one of the best things about copy trading. You don't have any obligations. It is for free. Yun kagandahan ng copy trading. That's why. Alright, teka lang may nag-message sa akin. We need to call you. Yeah, I think I need to wrap up at 7:45. Nag-message na sa akin yung mga ka-live ko mamaya. So yeah. Sir, si Dito. Kamusta natin si Dito? Dito is stabilizing right now. This is the bounce you're looking for. That's gonna be your signal. This is a very good dip. We have a confirmation of a support right here. Yeah. Buy na si Dito. Buy some, especially for investors. Traders, this is an aggressive entry. But yeah, you have a support right here. So if ever tama tayo, that's gonna be a reversal. But yes, Dito is a buy for me right here, right now. 𝑇𝑟𝑎𝑑𝑖, Solo, 𝑠𝑖𝑛𝑡𝑟𝑎𝑑𝑖 na cover na natin si 𝑇𝑟𝑎𝑑𝑖. Solo. Bukas mga alas 7 ulit tayo ha. Solo. Yeah, next green is gonna be your entry point for Solo. Let's go to YouTube. Sir, you need my help. Nag-withdraw ako na account sa 𝑒𝑇ORRO. This is from Rob Legaspi. I'm looking at YouTube right now. Bilisan ko na, daanan ko na sa YouTube. May nag-or sa ako sa 𝑒𝑇ORRO ay hindi ko po ma-cancel ang withdraw request niya. Patulong po from Rob Legaspi. Right. Rob Legaspi, yung withdrawal mo, if ever ma-hack man nila at i-withdraw request yan, 𝑒𝑇ORRO will block the withdrawal if it's not from your bank account. Okay? So if hindi nyo ma-cancel, create a ticket. I think most probably your account got compromised. So second layer po yan ng protection for you. At 𝑒𝑇ORRO does not allow any withdrawals towards a different account. Diretso yan sa anong account ginamit mo pang fund. Okay? So, babalik rin yan doon. Hopefully, that account of yours is safe. Kung ma-withdraw man yan. But yeah, create an 𝑒𝑇ORRO, create a ticket for it. Email this guy. I'm gonna, jeff@𝑒𝑇ORRO.com. Email this guy directly. Sabi ko, Sir, good evening po. Nakatira ako sa Japan. Paano kung magpapagawa ng 𝑒𝑇ORRO account sa Pinas? Then, gagamitin ko dito. Mag-work po kaya sa 𝑒𝑇ORRO. Hindi po kayo magproblema. Actually, hindi siya magkakaproblema if ever dito nyo sa Pilipinas ginawa. Okay, if ever papagawa nyo dito sa Pilipinas, tatawag si 𝑒𝑇ORRO. Have someone talk to them as if they're you. Bakit ko sinabi yun? That's illegal. Huwag nyong gagawin. Huwag niyong gagawin yun. Okay? Huwag niyong gagawin yun. Pero yeah, that is what it is. Okay. Alright, so let's go back to our comment series dito. Na natin, Solo and Sint. Si Solo naman, we covered that. Sint, 7:45 already. Last lang to guys, pasensya na. Alright, I'm gonna share my screen. Pasensya na if ever, ang dami pang comments man. Hindi ko masasagot lahat. But thank you for coming tonight. Thank you for joining our podcast this evening. Bukas ulit, tuloy natin, 7 p.m. If you have any questions, prepare it. Sasagutin natin bukas. Come on time, 7 p.m. tomorrow para una mabasa natin yung comments nyo. Really wanna read yung mga nauuna talaga. So, good pullback right here from Sint. Let's check this out. Favorite retracement. There we go. Medyo nag-0.6. Medyo shaky yung pullback niya. I'm not really fan of the pullback right now, so I will stay away from it. Very, very, what do you call this? Very risky. Anyways, that's it for this evening. Alright, that's it for this evening for me. Thank you so much for joining again. I'll see you again tomorrow. If you wanna help me out, andyan po yung link ng Patreon ko. Right? Andyan sa baba. Right? So, check it out. If you wanna donate something, di mo mapupunta sa akin yan. It will go to the youth that I'm helping right now. Meron tayong mga ibang programa to the youth I'm helping it. And if you're asking if ever gusto mo mag-join sa seminar ko, yung my webinar, I have a recording. Puntahan niyo po dyan sa Patreon. There's instruction right there for you to be able to access it. So, create an eToro account using my link, and then fund nyo po. You can access our premium courses for free here in StocksEd. Hopefully, you do that. If ever ayaw nyo, meron tayong premium courses here in StocksEd. You can access. Just use 𝐿Bazaar as a code right here so that you can get discount. That's it for me this evening. I'll see you again tomorrow. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone. Yep. Nope. Why? What's up?
We have food na. Baby back ribs.
What?
Crab and corn soup.
Kalami. I need to start now, so sacrifices